Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I found a niche where someone monetized their channel with just 17 videos and gained 3,000 subscribers. They didn't use shorts, just long videos, and they achieved incredible engagement, monetizing their channel within a month. As you can see, in just 3 days, they got 39,000, 40,000, 69,000 views, and some videos even reached 280,000 or 159,000 views. This person is earning a really decent income. I've seen many channels like this, but I'm showing you this one because I know you don't like too much intro. So let me get straight to the point. What will you need to create something like this? And what can you achieve? I've brought you an incredible free tool called Seedance, which is going viral right now. People are asking how to get it for free, and today I'll tell you exactly how. But how can you create content with this niche? Let's start the work. Okay guys, now let's move on to the very first step, and this is where the real magic begins. I'm going to give you a ready-made master prompt. All you need to do is simply copy it and paste it into ChatGPT. That's it. No complicated setup, no extra effort. As soon as you paste the prompt, ChatGPT will start guiding you. The first thing it will ask is which car you want to restore. You can choose any model you like, classic, modern, luxury, anything, or even type your own custom car name. Once you select the car, it will instantly start generating cinematic scenes for you. By default, it creates 10 high-quality scenes, but the best part is, you're not limited. You can ask for 50 scenes, 100 scenes, or even more depending on your video length. There are absolutely no restrictions. Now, when you actually see the output, you'll be surprised. This ASMR niche prompt generates everything for you. Detailed image prompts, powerful voiceover scripts, camera angles, sound design ideas. Literally everything is included. From how the car looks in the junkyard, to how the rust is removed, to the final cinematic reveal. Every single step is already structured for you. So basically, you're getting a complete done-for-you system. You don't need to stress, you don't need to think too much, and you don't need any advanced skills. Just copy, paste, and create. And the best part, you can easily customize it. Change the car name, tweak the style, extend the scenes, and you'll get fresh, unique content every time. So guys, if you're finding value in this, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. And don't go anywhere yet, because trust me, there's still a lot more powerful stuff coming up next. Okay guys, now let's move on to generating those epic visuals. In this niche, visuals are everything. So your images must be in high quality 3D HD, and your overall presentation should feel premium and eye-catching. For this, one of the best tools right now is Piclumen AI. It's super easy to use and gives you daily free credits, which are enough to generate around 10 to 12 high-quality images without any problem. And the best part, if you need more images, you can simply log in with another Gmail account and get additional credits. That means you can create more content without spending any money. The process is very simple. Just copy the prompt we created earlier, paste it into Piclumen AI, and click Generate. Within seconds, you'll get clean HD images with no watermark or logo, making your content look fully professional. So first, let's talk about Dramina CapCut. It's an amazing tool for AI video generation, and it does give you some free credits to start with. But the problem is, those credits run out quickly. So today, I'm going to show you a smarter method, one that lets you generate videos almost completely free. Now, step 1, you may need to connect a VPN. I've already connected mine. In some countries, this tool works without a VPN, but if it doesn't work for you, just turn on any VPN and you're good to go. Once you're inside, you'll notice an option called Seedance 2.0. If you click on it, you'll see it consumes around 60 to 70 credits per video. That's expensive, so we're not going to use that. Instead, look for Dramina Seedance 2.0 Fast. This is the real game changer. When you click on it, you'll notice something amazing. It can generate videos with 0 credits. Yes, 0. Now what you need to do is simple. Just copy the prompt we created earlier, paste it here, and click on Generate. It may ask you to confirm that your content follows policy. Just confirm it and let it process. Wait a few seconds, and boom!
buried under rust, forgotten by time. Once a legend, now just silence and decay. Buried.
Your video is ready. Now look at the result. The quality is insane. You get smooth animation, perfect background music, cinematic feel, and even clean audio. It literally feels like a professionally edited video. Seedance is honestly one of the best tools right now for this kind of content. But here's the catch. Seedance 2.0 Fast usually allows only one completely free generation. So what if you want more videos? Don't worry, I've got you covered. Go back to the main dashboard, and this time open the integration section. Inside that, click on Frame. Now here you'll see multiple versions of Seedance. Some of them, like Seedance 1.5 Pro or Seedance 2.0, still require high credits. Ignore those. Scroll down and find Seedance 1.0 Fast. This is your second weapon. This version only uses around 25 credits per video, which means you can easily generate 4 to 5 videos using your free credits. Just repeat the same process. Copy your prompt, paste it, generate, and download. And here's a pro tip. Once your credits are finished, you can simply switch your account or log in with another Gmail ID. That way, you get fresh credits again and can continue creating more videos without spending anything. So basically, with this method, you can scale your content production massively, completely free. Now imagine this. You generate high-quality images, then turn them into cinematic AI videos, add voiceovers, and boom, you've got a viral YouTube video ready. This is exactly how people are building automated channels and making money online. I hope you found this method valuable. If you did, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and stay with me. Because in the next part, I'm going to show you even more powerful strategies to grow faster. Thanks a lot for watching, and let's keep creating.